Now, my topic for today is PARROT. Now, I have a question for you. Which of these offices you would like to work in? Most of you would like to work in office like A. But a question arises over here that whether you know why do you like to work in office like A? It is because it is surrounded by natural surroundings, and it is very difficult task to have an office like A because a gardener would have to face a lot of difficulties. Now the word gardening is not the easy task as it looks. Now the Parrot company has brought to a solution to this problem by its parrot pot. Now what is a parrot pot? Yeah, it's of course a pot, but it is the most advancedly connected plant pot. It has smart irrigation system, water conservation mode, and a 2.2 liter water reserve to serve the above two features. Now it has 4 professional grade sensors to sense the basic needs of the plant, and it has innovative maintenance design. It has free iOS and Android dedicated app with over 8,000 plants expert advice directly on your smartphone. Now the Parrot Pod was recently announced in CES 2015. This was Parrot's second pod with the advanced technology in it. Now this is the basic comparison between Parrot's first pod, which was Parrot Flower Power, and the second generation advancedly connected plant pod, that is Parrot Pod. Now the basic difference you can see over here is that Parrot Pot has automatic watering system. It has also a 2.2 liter water reserve water tank. It notificates you for the time before next reserve fill. And another difference is that it's not yet decided that at which price it would be sold, as it's yet to come in this 2015. Now, how does it work? It works with the use of sensors which record the temperatures that is needed for the plant. The sensors also senses the need of water and fertilizers. Now, the use of Bluetooth is also a key to success of the pot, as it connects the pot with the smartphone. And the smartphone is also a basic requirement, as its app receives the message from the plant. Now I'll show you a video of to understand it more betterly. Thank you.